Here is a cell on your screen. We have already seen that the various organelles inside it are compactly packed inside this delicate membrane called the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. We have even seen that the cell membrane makes use of diffusion process to transport gas and water molecules in and out of the cell. However, diffusion is not the only process employed. There are a few more in the list. Let's have a look at this method in this video. Tell me one thing, how do we transport water from a lower height to a higher height? We need a pump, because this does not happen on its own. Of course, or some energy is required to pull the water upwards. Similarly, in a cell, some molecules have to be carried inside or moved outside the cell. This requires energy to be spent. The energy used is in the form of ATP molecules. This is called as active transport. That is, active transport requires expenditure of energy. The transportation is carried out by protein molecules present on the cell membrane. On the other hand, diffusion does not require energy. Hence, it is a type of passive transport. So, movement of molecules without spending energy, as in case of diffusion, is passive transport. Similarly, movement of molecules across the membrane with the expense of energy is active transport. Now let's get to know one more interesting concept named osmosis. Have you ever come across this term osmosis? Well, quite often. But what exactly do we mean by this? Osmosis is defined as the movement of water from higher water concentration to lower water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So let's say we have this container which is partitioned by the semi-permeable membrane. Now we add sugar solution at both the sides. However, the concentration of each is different. Here we add concentrated sugar solution while here dilute sugar solution. That means the concentration of water in this solution is obviously more compared to this. So after some time we see water molecules moving from the side of partition to this side. And how long this movement takes place? It will occur till the concentration of water is balanced, that is equalized on both the sides. This is nothing but osmosis. Let's learn some more interesting concept about osmosis and cell transport in the next video. Thank you. Keep watching, like and subscribe.